down, buddy. You got some serious eating going on here. It kind of looks like Todd's in the lead a little bit. Yeah?
Yep, Todd's leading.
I would say Todd's leading a little bit. Tiny's getting into it there a little bit. Yeah. Huh. Tiny has not taken a drink of anything yet. I think Todd has a little strategy there. Certainly not afraid to make a mess. Todd certainly does look a little more focused. He's looking nervous. Laughing would not be a good thing.
Tiny's first drink.
Definitely have a lead. Man, the water is helping. Tiny about got it. Oh, Tiny's a little bit kind of caught up a little bit here. Looking good here. Easy now. Easy now. Whoa. I think we have looks like we're going to be close here. Going to be close. We were getting down to it. It looked like about a couple of bites apiece here. We're about there, guys.
2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Yep. 2 minutes. There's 2.5 minutes right there. Wait a minute. It's got to be down. It's got to be down. Come on down. It's got to be down. Let's get it down. Come on. Tiny. Oh my God. Don't you heave that out, boy. What you doing? Coming up on 3 minutes. Let's clear the mouth. Let's see the plate.
Wow.
We have a minute.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
That's.
That wasn't enough.
Oh no.
That wasn't enough. What the hell is that?
I'll take it.
I was wondering where it was going so fast.